Let's do some caring. So recently I conducted an online summer camp workshop for kids of age 5 to 13 years where we upcycled a plastic bottle into these cute colorful floral pot inserts, and believe me guys, kids just love doing that DIY. So on this special request today I've got this easy, fun, best out of waste DIY tutorial video for all those kids who are getting bored in this lockdown period. So come, let's see how to go about it. So firstly we need an empty clean plastic bottle and we'll chop off this topmost section. Smoothen out all the rough edges with the scissors. Now with an highlighter, just mark at equal gaps. And on each mark, cut straight till the neck of the bottle. You can also deepen these cuts with the cutter. Now fold each petal outwards and curve out the edges of each petal. So that is how it will look like. Cut a wave in the center of each petal to replicate the real flower. So this is the final structure of the flower on which we'll paint with acrylic paints. So I'm taking this red acrylic paint, a yellow one, and thirdly a white acrylic paint. I will mix red and the white acrylic paint to create a pink shade. And then start applying on each petal. So once the first coat is done, we'll add some depth with some strokes of darker tone. So we are done with the second coat as well. Now we'll start using the white paint to fill in the leftover blank areas in the center. Add more brush strokes with white paint to merge with the pink shade on each petal, like the way I am showing you. So it will look like this, and now we'll add some more shading with a dark maroon tone. And the last coat with pink color again. Draw some white dots in the center with white paint. And it looks perfect now. Now using a plastic straw, we'll cut few fringes at the mouth of the straw and pull them outwards. Now paint the straw with pink tone. And once you come closer to the mouth, paint it with yellow paint. Paint the tip of each fringe with red color for the pollens. Now cover the rest of the straw with the green tape to look it like a stem. Coming back to the flower structure, we'll remove the cap so that the stem can go through and through. And now we'll get rid of this plastic ring. And we'll cover this area again with the green tape. Fix the stem to the flower with the glue gun. And ta-da! We are done! You can repeat the same with the bottommost section of the bottle, and this is how the flower is gonna look like. So kids, make your own versions in bright colors and add that vibrance to all your plants. I would grab an opportunity to thank all the kids who attended my workshop and featuring some of the wonderful creations by them. I hope all you kids enjoy this DIY. Please like it, share to all your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for some more great ideas.